Hello everybody, it is the Cactus Gamer 105, and we are playing an awesome game called The Room. So, as you can see, it looks like a pretty awesome game comparing to the menu because, I mean, look at that knob. The knob is like very, look at it, it's very, detailed. It's got really good, graphics right here, so, yeah. And we're going to select the chapter and then chapter 1. So, I don't know, it's like some kind of loading symbol. Okay, so tutorial, swipe the screen to look around. Double tap on the envelope on top of the safe. Okay, slide. Okay, I really do not want to read that note. I don't care. Okay, there we go. Rotate and open the lid. Okay. Feed me and I shall survive. Give me a drink and I shall die. What the? I don't think anything's working. So I already read the note. Okay. Oh. Okay, so something about like water and fire. No. Like, wait, let me look at this again. Feed, like, food and drinks. The logo. Yeah. Huh. What is this? Ooh, keyhole. That looks good. Oh, wait, no, there's, water here. I don't think that's the answer. Air? No. Fire? Oh, fire. Wood feeds it, but water puts it out. I guess I should give it a push. Whoa. Key. So I should take it. Let's see. Oh no. Wait. Okay, let's see if this should fit this hole right here. So yes. Huh. Okay, wait. I'm zooming out. Okay, there we go. What's this? Ooh. Can do it again. Let's see if this works. Yes. Okay, so this is like a, what is this? It's like a star-shaped bench. Let's see. Oh. Aha. Yes. I got the eyepiece. Okay, let's put this thing on. Whoa, that's creepy. That is really creepy. That is very creepy. Handprint. It looks like all bloody. Ooh, here it is. Okay, let's see. I think I've got this. Here we go. Oh, that symbol looks creepy. Slowly open it. Well, there are no jump scares in this game because I hope there are no jump scares. Well, let's take a closer look. Wow, the chapter's complete already. Okay, guys, sorry, I have to end the video here. I'll do a video for every chapter, so I'll be back. The Cactus Gamer is out.